Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. BNY Mellon is a global leader in banking and financial services, and their online banking platform offers a range of features to make managing your finances easy and convenient. In this video, we will show you how to create a BNY Mellon online banking account step by step. We will cover everything from gathering the necessary informations and documents to registering your account and setting it up and your login credentials. We'll also provide some tips and best practices to help you make the most of BNY Mellon online banking accounts, from transferring funds to paying bills online. So whether you are a new customer or looking to switch to BNY Mellon, let's get started and create your new online banking account today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, now what I will need you to do is simply go to your browser, launch it, and then from there go to the URL section through over here. Sorry guys, and then click on BNY Mellon account creation. So this is the page that you have to go to. So first of all, you'll have to do some things before you create your account, which are simply, let me just open a notepad for you so you can see it. So these are the steps that you have to follow. So first of all, you have to follow their simple three-stage instruction to open a record. So you have to request a brokerage account kit by telephone, so you have to call them on this number, or you can just download the application from their site, or you can just open BNY Mellon brokerage account on the web, read the client understanding, exposure and currency market share to resolve the plan and complete the application and move structure. So first of all, you have to call them by phone. So you just have to go here, for example, and this is the creation method, okay? This is where we are going to create our page or our account. Let's say that we have accepted the rules and we went to this page where we are going to fill our identification and account identify. So here it is normal. First name, middle name, last name, ID type, number, etc., which is completely normal. But here, this is the problem that you are going to face. You don't have really account number because you didn't have it yet. So what you have to do is call them on the number that I've showed you, which is this one, as you can see here. They showed you over here, and this one will really help you a lot to get your account number and to create an account from there or for their like spot, and they will help you a lot. Trust me with that. And like when they give you the account number, they will give you two options. The first option, which is fill in this form. The second option, which is go into their branch and fill in the form in there, like go in and then fill in everything manually, like not online. So now let's say that you have chosen to complete it that way, which is the online way. What you have to do, so call them, you will get the number, and then we will have to go to this page. How to get to this page? Um, Probably they will send it to you by email. If not, all you have to do is simply go to BNY Mellon and just next to it add online access or account creation. You have these two options that you can use. So as you can see, this is the link. I will make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. Here I will click on accept. Here, put the first name of yours. So let's do that real quick. Lois, and here I'm going to use this one. So I'm just showing you guys like the example on how to fill everything over here. So don't like try to make it as try to make it as exact as I'm doing. Like don't fake anything. Make sure that everything is actually correct. Because if there was anything incorrect, they will directly reject your application. Now here, put your account number. So here we go, and here the street address. So let's put it that way. University. Here it is. Street. Here it is the city, which is Seattle. The state, Washington, and the zip code 98101. Here would you like to use your phone number or not? So here it is, it's up to you. So here we are going to use it. So 206, let me just find it, 381 2828. And finally here the email. Now I can't really proceed to the next process because I don't really have my account number. In your case, if you had it, they will take you exactly to your next step, which is confirming your identity. How you can do that? You would simply take a picture of your ID card, holding it, and like you will take a selfie of yourself holding your ID card, and a paper with it, the date that you have created this application with. So today is 4th of April, so it will be 4th April 2023 and your name above it. That's how they can confirm their identity. After that, they will review your information, make sure that everything is good, and the last thing which is create login. So the creation the login, which is like the password and the email that will start logging in, or the username that you start logging in with. And right after that, you will have everything set it up, and they will take it like for you to have everything done on from this online platform. It will take you about 1 week max, so they can confirm your identity and review your information. So these are like the steps that you'll have to go through in order for you to create your bank account in this bank, which is BNY Mellon, as you can see. So this is the only way online to do that. If you'd like to get it like in real life, as I showed you before, just search for the nearest branch of their bank. So you just go here, let's try it out, and let's see if we can get any bank near to us. So BNY Mellon branch. So here we go, locations. Here you are. You can see Latin America, North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, choose whatever you'd like. So for example, North America, United States, and here you have to choose whatever thing you like in your case. So as you can see, there is multiple places. So choose the one that is nearby you, and that will be better for you. So in my case, Washington, Seattle. So this is the nearest place. You can view it in map, as you can see here. So here it is, and here it is like a picture of it, so you can actually know where you are going. So let's see this. So here it is. It is nearby this place, as you can see here. So this is simply it, guys. That's how you can create your bank account in BNY Mellon. So there is simply two ways. One of them is by going to the branch by yourself. But before you go to the branch, you have to call them. So don't forget about this step. Call them on the number that I've showed you, which is, let me just show you again, 1-800-843-5466. So this is the number. Make sure to call them so you can have like an appointment with them, and then you have to go to their branch and then you do the stuff to create etc and etc. After you're done with this step, and if you don't like to go, you have to create it online. It is simply the same. Call them, get your account number, and then start creating your accounts from online. But this of course will take more longer, so it's gonna take you 7 days. Instead, going in real life, it will take you like 1 day. So yeah guys, this is completely it. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.